I'm going to get a wood chipper today, hopefully. I've been wanting one for a long, long time. Here they are. They actually have them in stock. Yay. So this one is $12.95 and this one is $16.90. And I can't tell the difference. This one is a 3-inch and this one is a 3-inch. So I guess we'll have to ask.
So that'll stop the fuel going from the gas tank into the carburetor. This is your throttle control. And all the way down shuts it off. This is the choke for cold starting.
Okay. Right. My mom's a tough mom. I call her she-woman. You need to hold it. I finally get to try this machine out. I'm very excited. Well, other than the fact that it conks out when you put larger pieces of wood in it, it's supposed to take a 3-inch, but that's not true. It conks out. But other than that, I'm getting a nice amount of wood chips, and it's very fun. It's self-feeding, so you just stick it in there and then it grabs it. And if I can start it with one pull, that is pretty amazing. I love that it starts so easily. So yeah, I highly recommend this machine.